just down as a parent. You can eat your love. So today is the last day of school, so we parents, we asked to come and share the kids up, clap for them. So that is where I'm heading to now. I'm really glad today. I was out there going to school, but the other two, today is their last day of school. I'm really happy because I'm going to have time to achieve a lot of things I have in my to-do list to achieve. So let's go and share the kids. Let's go and share them up. Clap. Me myself, I'm going to clap a lot because I'm really happy. Today is the last day of me waking up by 5 o'clock, 4:30. But Azad is still attending daycare. I don't know when Azad's school will be on break. So let's go. The location was another place, so that is where I am now. I just pray. Yeah, I met them there. Oh my God, I want to fall down because I'm in a hurry, so I can meet up. Guys, today is one of those days I'm just down as a parent. My God, something actually happened at Alami school yesterday which I can't share, but we already resolved it because of the people involved at Alami. I can't share, but the thing is just affecting me, weighing me down. Today is the last day of school, so if you see any mom here in Germany, like you're in Africa, please always help them. I don't want to mention Nigeria, just Africa black. Please just hug that mom. Hug her, just tell her everything is fine. She should keep being strong and always support our kids. So guys, as I've said, we've settled the issue, but this is going to be in my brain like my memory for the rest of my life. If I think I'm going to share in the future, I'll let you know. But for now, the reason why I'm even saying is because it's going to show in my content. I'm not myself. I'm trying to be strong. So the kids will be back from school any moment from now. And today is their last day of school. So I want to just make something yummy down for them. First of all, I'm going to clean the kitchen first. This morning, when I made the kids' school lunch to school, I did not do any of those because what actually happened yesterday really affected me when I woke up this morning. I was forcing myself. I don't have strength to do the things I usually do. I just make their lunch and I left the kitchen. I left it like that. So first of all, let's just clean the kitchen first. And again, I got this amazing blender. Oh my God, I never regretted getting the blender, which I'm going to post the unboxing video I could not wait to unbox it. I made a unboxing video. I'm going to put it, you guys are going to watch it right now. This gadget, I'm really happy about this particular gadget. I never knew it was even at the church we were going to tell the kids, like, share them up for the last day of school. People don't even know I came from a mixed background. My mom is a Christian before she actually changed to a Muslim. And when I was in Nigeria, I don't follow my friends from school. I don't follow them to church. So I'm not that kind of mom that will say because I'm a Muslim, my kids should not go to church. If you are doing something, you're a Christian, you invite me, I will go. And that church is so beautiful. Oh my God, it's a Catholic church. Look at the inside. The inside is so beautiful. As in, it was like normal, not AC, like, you know, all these mud house in Nigeria when you go inside, you know the way they always feel cold. That was how I felt when I entered that church. So let's continue. Let's just clean this mess of this kitchen. Let's just tidy it up. Whether I smoke. You see this pepper mix? Oh my god. I made this pepper mix myself from scratch. Do you know the good parts? You can use it to make jollof rice without blending pepper. You can use it to make pasta, which you're going to be seeing me doing that soon. You can use it to make beans, anything. So that is the lazy way I'm going to be cooking. It's like a lazy method of cooking. If you are tired as a mom, you need this. You need this pepper mix. You can check out my second channel for the ingredients. So I'm going to be mixing it now. All you just need is 3 spoons. Then you add water. Then you set it aside. The kids are actually back from school, so I'm happy for that. Add 1 tablespoon of tin tomato.